Hello everybody. Look, it's sunny out. I'm going to do the outside of the RV today. I'm going to use Ivory. It's just dishwashing liquid. They changed the packaging so it looks a little bit different these days and the bottles got supersized. Next thing you'll need is a Vileda bucket and a Vileda mop. You can get them on Amazon. It's a system. You want to have both. And these heads are removable. I have lots of other videos on this, so I'm not going to go into detail, but it has a removable head and you can wash it. And so they're fantastic for so many jobs, and I'll put links to other videos that I use this mop. You can do walls, you can do so many different things. Just 2 squirts. Just 2 squirts. If you want a little more, you can. We're going to rinse it off later anyways. This mop is fantastic. Stick it in your bucket in the folded down position, and then put it into this little squeeze-a-routerer. If you are really careful, you can slap it on the top. So you can do your windows and everything with this mop. It's fantastic. You can reach up quite high. Really, I can just about reach the top. And just give everything a good wash with it. And hose it all off. If you can't reach the top windows, you can get a handy dandy long poled squeegee. Ivory is amazing for windows. It'll make them so shiny. If you don't have a long poled squeegee, just use a little one on a ladder and hang on. And you know, it's not only your RV that you can clean with the Ivory and using your Vileda mop system. You can also clean siding and fences. So you just go along with your Vileda and give it a wipe. This is wood, painted wood that I'm doing. It's not going to hurt it. It freshens everything up for spring. You can also do your patio tables before you hose them down to get some of that extra dirt and dust off. Give it a good scrub. And it's super easy to do the little Boler with this system. I would certainly rinse the Boler after I'm finished with the hose. If you don't have a hose, then you can just put fresh, clean rinse water and use that. Well, thanks so much for watching. Get ready for summer and get ready for your spring cleaning. Get this mop system. It's fantastic for so many things. You can also do your walls, ceiling, floor. I have other videos on how to use the mopping system. So please check the links in the description down below. And tell me, how do you do?
Are you talking to yourself?
I know I'm trying to do a video, but it's not going well.
Any interruptions?
Just a few. It's been a really hard video to make. Did you come to be in the video too? Are you gonna go? Are you gonna go? No. Come on. Why? No. Go. 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 Jeez Louise. Cora. Yes, I know. Out. Get out. Whoop. Oh. Stop. Oh my God. Pause it. I'm just about finished the video, and then I'll count when you guys are riding your bikes, okay? Oh.
Are you done?
Yes, I'm done.